Driving in a snowstorm. Just drove our friends home. Shuttle service. Checking out the Palmwood Hill. Checking out the Palmwood. Boxing Day. Crazy snow. Super heavy, super thick. Probably super stupid. We're at Toyota, we got 4-wheel drive. Brakes work good. There you go, you got somebody running. A little bit of jogging in a snowstorm. Gonna do a quick spin in the parking lot. Go to sleep. FishingNiagara.com, keeping you updated, keeping you reported. Heavy super snow, Lake Erie lake effect. We got it good. We're making first tracks in the parking lot. Got about a foot of snow already. She's supposed to hammer down all night. There's the boat ramp. Hopefully we'll be ice fishing soon. Check out the live reports, fresh powder, look at that. Skiing's gonna be awesome. FishingNiagara.com, check it out. Have a safe and happy holidays. Good luck fishing.